Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what my room looks like. Yay! So it's basically a room tour episode. And here it is! Well, I can explain. So this is where I usually record, but oh my gosh. I'm kind of busy with my Marvel action figure stuff, so this is one episode, one YouTube video you're gonna see until like a month later. Right now we're doing my Marvel action figure show, but I was recognized you guys never see my room, and plus when I do see my room, and I do my room tour, you guys never see it, so you're gonna see it for the first time, well, third time, whatever. Let's start this off. Brothers' bed. This is just his costumes. And this is his bed. We got dinos. Since he loves science, he has the science blanket. His mascot, which he'll introduce soon. It's light bulb with the graduation hat. We got Maddox right there. And his name right there. It might say Mommy and Daddy, because that's all our parents. And you can't change it. And that pickle guy, when he liked Octonauts, he had this Rubik's Cubes, his diary, Under the Duck, and Fred the Skeleton. So, this is my part of the room. So we got a balloon, which belongs to him. Fiery, Spongy, this whole stuffed animals case. I know what you're thinking. It's not a lot. I made a little much. Here's stuff that I'm cleaning now. This one's special. Grumpy from Snow White. The stretchy ones. Well, this one's kind of like broken, but the Diary Wimpy Kid collection. Collector's item. And we got two new books, The Big Shot and This Boy. And we go up here. We might see a $150 hand. I said helmets? Yeah, helmets. And we got the other helmet. And you guys might remember these ones. They're on display now. Golden Squidward, Cybertruck, and that thing. Us when we were 1 year old. My glittery hat. And it's time for the bedtime. Now, this is like hard to tuck. And we got SpongeBob Patrick, the bed. We got Microwave, my new mascot. A New Zealand bird, Sharky. Lemmy, don't ask why his name is Lemmy. Teddy, and Theodore. We got the used to like Lanky Box shelf with the finger painter, Nito, a dancing cactus. Oh, it's getting so blurry. The rare golden Steve. So this feels delayed. I don't know. It's definitely getting blurry. And Alexa. Hi, Alexa. Hello. Hi. There's some more stuff, which is the lights. So if you turn this off, you'll see lights. Isn't that cool? And we got Sharky. We got a whiteboard, which you might remember. And if you see more of these videos, you might see a face with the Winky P face, but that's for like future videos. And sandwich puppets. Oh yeah, and there's my thing, the Mason, because I'm a very good gamer. And once we put this thing, and one of my last videos, we're gonna put this thing into the basement. This is where my gaming chair is gonna be. I forgot about Spongy. And Microwave is gonna be on his gaming chair. Say hi, brother. That was not hi. Here's a box of dumbness that you might remember. Shelves.